Stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis before you trade. Abu 001 is here. Let me break. Let's see what the market has for us. Let me break down the market and see what the market has for us. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Sorry, wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name, and you already know what this platform is. Is for our daily analysis to see what the market has for us. Some of the analysis yesterday. This one, the analysis we plotted yesterday, they took us out and went in our favor. But today, let's see what the market has for us. To all my subscribers, I really appreciate. To all of you that my video just pop up into your screen. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the next video. And Candice, please spare me your time to watch this educative video to learn one or two things from there. Please kindly stay tuned to the end. So let's quickly go into the forest factory. Maybe there's high impact news. So you already know high impact news is the one that just give us volatility. It does not create the trend, it just continue the trend, give us volatility. And this is what we have. We have USD, now 130, we have CPI. And due to the what is happening in USA now, World Cup is happen. USA is hosting the World Cup of this 2026, and definitely it is positive for the USA. So definitely let us be expecting bullish on USD, on dollar, seriously, because some visitors will be going in other way, and with their currency, definitely it will be bullish. So let's see what we have. This is what we have around 130. We stay tuned to the 130, and you already know what I used to say before the news. 15 minutes before the news, move away from the market. If you are in loss, close the market. If you are in profit, close the market. And after the news, just enter. 15 minutes or 30 minutes after the news, just enter and see what the market has for us. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what the chart has for us. You already know we do not predict the market. We just react to what the market gave us, and this is what the market is giving us. This is the last break of structure, and these are demand, and you can see this is a key level here. Definitely the market is coming here. This will serve as liquidity for me. This support will serve as liquidity for me. Liquidity market need to swept, because you can see market is in between because this is the swing high, and this is the swing goal. Market is in between the swing high and the swing goal. All this what the market is creating. Market is just creating a liquidity. Seriously, market is just creating a liquidity. These are our what internal structure. And let's see what we have in this internal structure. This is what we have in this internal. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is the supply that puts the market down. And you can this is the supply. This is the key level that puts the market down, and this is what we are having. And this is last break of structure. Market brokenness, definitely market is in the what is in this zone. This is the first touch, this is the second touch, and market is in what is this support zone. So since we have seen what the market is doing, market is in what is the downtrend. Seriously, market is coming to this demand. It's only this demand that can determine whether we are buying, or market is still continue the bearish. So all what market is creating is internal structure, which is internal structure was liquidity. So let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours is what is our analysis, and you can see this is sliver. 4 hours is our analysis. Just what we just need in 4 hours, just the recent trend. Yesterday, as we took this trade, yesterday that I was expecting, because it was key level, and we are expecting another buy to this zone before we can see a bearish, but market did not what market did not yeah did not expected it. So let's see what the market has for us now. You can see the last break of structure the market is giving us inside the zone. So we guys be patient. This market is what is downtrend. As for me, the market is in downtrend, and what we have now, As for me, I'm seeing liquidity here. As for me, I'm seeing a liquidity over here, and there is FEG over here. And you can see this is FEG. And you can see this is the last break construction and this is the breaker block. And which was this breaker block has not give us downtrend. My market has not touched this breaker, it has not break and retest this breaker block. So definitely let's be expecting if we can see a huge sell from this breaker block again inside, and the breaker block has FEG, so let's be expecting it. But the main supply of this break of structure is what is here. But due to the key level, there is what this is a demand that turned towards breaker block, and this is key level, first touch, second touch before broken it. Market will touch it again and continue that trend. So let's just focus. So if that does not respect it, definitely we are coming to this supply before we can say which sell. But as for now, let's just expect this what key level. These are what I'm seeing or what on 4 hour time frame. This will serve as liquidity market into swaps. So this is what we are having on 4 hours time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to see the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. You can see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. All we just need is just to be focused. Seriously. Seriously. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour and 4 hours time frame was what our analysis time frame. The recent trend, we just continue the recent trend over what is happening on 1 hour and 4 hours. And this is what the market is doing. You can see market touch sheet. Let's say these are other block, but the other block does not have FEG. Seriously. On 4 hours time frame, you can see this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure, and you can see this break of structure as what as other block. But this break of structure may later be broken because there is gap here. Seller are still here and seller are still here. This see that the seller, but I'm expecting the seller to come from here because there's FEG from 4 hours, and this is a key level. This is a key level place where markets what may react to. So let's just be focused on this on this. Let's see what 1 hour give us. This is what the 1 hour gave us, but all what we just need now is just let's see what the market is doing. Since we have seen since we have seen what the market is doing, we are still expecting the downtrend. But before we can see the downtrend, let's know this is 1 hour. So if be expecting the 1 hour to push the market down again, that is what we are expecting. But let's move to this is our analysis. Let's move to 15 minute time in which is our positive analysis. This is 15 minute time frame, and you can see the break of structure of 1 hour time frame. So market has not broken this. Market has not broken this. This was this lower low. Market has not broken it, and I'm seeing FEG here from what from 15 minute time frame. You can see the FEG. I'm seeing FEG there. So image, this is a liquidity. Let's see if the market is gonna push the market, if the market is going to push it again, because we just reacted to what market is giving us. We are still in downtrend, and we got to be careful on this zone safe, because this zone is what is a liquidity zone. And where our TP, we take our TP. This is where we take our TP. Let's be patient here. Let's see what the market is doing here. So if this zone is broken, definitely what is coming to that demand. But if the zone was not broken, definitely we will continue the option. So as for now, let's see what the market is trying to do. These are key level. This is a key level zone. So let's see if you can see another sell inside that key level. You can see I'm still expecting sell. So let's move to gold. Let's see what gold has for us. Gold also, this is what the gold has for us. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low here. So only just demand, this demand can just decide anything, but what? This is a liquidity, because market does not break the structure up. This is a liquidity market need to swept. After we have plotted our swing high and our swing low on daily time frame, and we know our major demand on there on daily time frame, and we move towards, because this is the last break control, this is our major demand. Let's see if this demand can push the market up, or it's going to break it. If the market is going to break it, it's coming to this monthly resistance, like what is happening on Steven also. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is our analysis time frame. Seriously. You can see market is inside this zone as again. This zone. So we gas be patient. All what we have now, we gas be patient, seriously. This is the last break of structure market is giving us. Hey, sorry for that. I see what the market is giving us. This is the last break of structure market give us. As for me, this is a liquidity sweat. This is a liquidity safe zone. On 4 hour time frame, this is a liquidity sweep zone. So this is what we are having. We are having supply here. Suppliers are still coming here. Suppliers are still coming here. And let's just read this recent structure. This is the recent structure we are reading now. You can see this is the last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure. And this is what is happening here. We are having what? We are having opportunity. Market may expect this demand zone here. But we have FEG, you can see the FEG. So market may not expectedly mitigate this supply zone before we can see a bullish. So let's see 1 hour time frame. Very sorry. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is what the market is trying to give us. So let's see what the market is trying to do from here. There is another block supply. But what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing a what liquidity swept here. See, this is a liquidity swept here. But let's just be patient. I'm still expecting another downtrend from here. This morning, I made a mistake, but the mistake is also a learning. Also, seriously, it's also a learn. It's also a learning. Also, so it's also a learning. Also, so after 1 hour, we have seen what is happening. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. If you want to sell, we are still selling inside the zone. As for me, this is what is happening here. This is a liquidity, and this is you can see the double top, and this is a liquidity swept. This is a liquidity swept. Seriously, on 15-minute time frame. Let's now see what the market is having for us now. Seriously, we are still we can see on 15-minute time frame there's gap here. So let's be expecting another what? Let's be expecting the buy from here. We are still let's be expecting the sell from here. Let us be expecting the sell from here because this is what is happening here. For scalpers, if scalper wants to take this trade, they will go to what? They will go to one normal minute time frame to see maybe there is what market structure shifts. But for we that we are not a capable, if you want to take this uptrend, you can take this uptrend. You can see these are liquidity over here, and the market has touched this place. Definitely, market is going uptrend. So let me see. Maybe I can take this trade also. I've took a trade this morning, oh, but it stopped me out based on I mistakenly this opportunity. I moved to 130-minute time frame. I see this opportunity. I thought this one has already become as what liquidity swept. Seriously. But later on, I later found that this is a liquidity swept market. That market already swept. Seriously. It's a double top on it's a double bottom. You can see on what on 15-minute time frame is is a double bottom. So as for me, I'm still expecting buy again. This is a buy market, seriously. I'm still expecting the buy. Let me place the buy with 0.02, and our stop loss will be below here. If you want to take this buy, this is how you gonna take the buy. This is how we are taking the buy. Our TP will be here. So into this zone. Seriously, that's how our TP is going to be. So let's see if this buy is going to give us the opportunity. And on silver also, this is a liquidity. I'm still expecting the sell from here. Seriously. So let's be expecting on that sell from here. So this is what I'm seeing on gold and silver. So let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 is having for us. What is happening? US 32, it does not what I think last this Monday video I dropped, I said this place has reduced our liquidity seriously. I'm still you can see I'm still expecting definitely the market is in sell because these are swing high. You can see the swing high and these are our swing low because these are our returning points. Seriously. That is our turning point. These are our turning points. Definitely market is correct. Let's be expecting on that sell. Seriously. So let's move to 4 hour time frame to see the recent trend on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. This is a key level also. You can see this is a key level. This has turned towards key level also. So we gas be patient because you can see this place has turned to support to resistance. So we gas be patient. We gas so we gas be patient. From daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. You can see the market is in between. All this one market is just created is what is a liquidity. So it's a liquidity. Before we can sell, we've seen the valid opportunity for the sell. This is where we are going to sell. We are selling. Yeah. If market broken this place with full body candle, definitely we are selling the market. We are selling the market here because this place has turned to what? It has turned to resistance. So any opportunity that we are seeing, let's see if the market can break it, retest, and continue the downtrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is our 4 hour time frame. This is where the opportunity is. You can see where the opportunity is now. So we gas what? We gas be patient. So let's see what we are doing here. So this is what the market is giving us. You can see this is the higher high, this is the lower high here. So market is giving us the type of downtrend. And let's just if we can see from here, this is a break of structure, this is a change of character. This is a change of character market. I see the change of character market. The market mitigated this FEG. This is the FEG market mitigated that is continuing downtrend. So we guys be patient on this zone safe, on this resistance, 4 hour resistance here, this 4 hour support here. Sorry. Is the support is not resistance, seriously. Because resistance is a ceiling while support is a floor. So this is a floor in this market. So let's see what the market did. This is a resistance here. And let's move to 1 hour time frame if we can see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. Okay, there is a key level here that market is expected. So let's see what the market is doing. You can see on 1 hour time frame, market is giving us what five of what break of structure, the change of character, and you can see here market is giving us break of structure here, break of structure here. So let's be patient. Let's see what this one has for us. If this resistance is trying to push it up because what come to and mitigate this what This FEG is coming back to this what to this supply here. This supplies can turn to resistance self because we have seen it touch it. It has touched it two times. On 1 hour you can see this can serve as resistance. Yes, it can serve as resistance also. So let's say supply is coming back to this supply. We cannot say it's coming back to this supply because it's coming back to this supply. Let's say this supply also. You can say this supply because it has to give us break of structure here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. So definitely if this support try to push it up, it's coming to this supply and this will serve as what? As serve as what liquidity. All this will serve as liquidity. So we guys be patient on this resistance. So let's move to 15 minutes, which is the entry. This is a 15 minutes opportunity, and we can set a liquidity swept on 15 minutes. We can set a liquidity swept on 15 minutes. After we plotted a liquidity swept of 15 minutes, this is what this sees market structure shift, and this is the FEG market mitigated. You can see the zone market mitigated. So this is the FEG market mitigated. So we guys be patient of this 15 minutes. On this 15 minutes, I'm seeing a bullish. A bullish. If you want to join this trade on 15 minutes, we guys wait for for what? For bullish candle to close ahead of this candle before we can say we are joining the opportunity. So the opportunity we are still expecting the market to come back here before we can see which dump. So this is a what? This is a liquidity here. You can see the liquidity. So this is a liquidity. This is a double top. So we are expecting a sell after this. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. Seriously. Trading is like a life. It's like a life we are living. So if you are patient enough, you're gonna enjoy the life. So this is what the market is giving us a 15-minute time frame. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU has for us. This is GU. You can see where the opportunity is, and you can see what the market is trying to do. Market has give us this our. Let's start from daily time frame. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. Yeah, I'm seeing this as a liquidity market into sell before you can see which uptrend. And this is what is happening. This is the supply that is pushing the market down. On this supply, we have break control up there and we have breaker block. Market has mitigated this zone several times. So let's see 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is trying to give us. This is 4 hour time frame. This is the market structure shift here. Seriously, on 4 hour time frame, this is the breaker block, but this breaker block has not broken this place. That we can say that is what we are seeing what we are seeing uptrend. So let's just be focused. On this market, we gas be focused. We gas focus. Seriously. We gas focus seriously. This is a change of character inside this breaker block, inside breaker block, because this is what break of structure, change of character, and this is what the market is doing. Let's see if we can see another sell from this zone again. because you can see this is a multiple rejection killer. This is support. This is a what? This is support to resistance key level. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where the opportunity is on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. I'm expecting the market to come to this, but market couldn't expected this. So market respected this 1 hour on this 15-minute opportunity. So this is what the market is doing. You can see market is giving us the kind of uptrend. So let's move to 15 minutes to continue the uptrend seriously. This is the trade, this is the opportunity we saw yesterday, and you can see the market is going in our favor. This market is going in our favor. So this is where we see the opportunity. This is the next opportunity I'm seeing. This is the break of structure here. I'm still expecting an uptrend though. I said yesterday that this zone is trying to push the market down, and when market reach this zone, what the zone try to push the market down. You see, it pushes the market down, and let's just wait. You can see the multiple rejection. Definitely, market respected this zone. Definitely, we are still on 15-minute time frame. We are expecting the market to come bullish because on 1 hour time, bigger time frame, we have FEG here. So market is going to break this. I'm still expecting the market to break this opportunity, this resistance. You can, hey, sorry, I'm not using broker jare. So this is what is happening, but market is going to react here because you can see the more so this is the first region, this is second region, and this is what. So let's be on this is what after the liquidity swept, this is what this after the liquidity swept, this market structure shift here. So market mitigate this opportunity and continue the uptrend. So as for now, I'm expecting the market to come to this place. This is an FED here. Let's see if this SVG is going to push the market up. Having our stop loss below here. On 15-minute time frame, this is the break of short trust. Definitely, we're expecting the market to break this 15-minute zone to this opportunity here. So let's just be expecting. If market's broken this place, it will if we not see the breaking, it will retest and mitigate this higher time frame opportunity. Take profit. Let me use this $1. This my remaining $1 to place this trade. I still need help. Oh, seriously, I'm just pushing myself with $10, $14 after maybe first month $14. If I will each draw down the next month, I will not fund my account. The second month I will fund an account. That is what I'm doing. So nothing. And if you are watching this video too, I'm also a data analyst. If you want to give me a job, so you can see a remote job. So that let me just place this opportunity. This is what I'm saying. So let's just be patient. Let's see if the retracement can ample before we can see a huge option. So let's wait market to break this. The market is at this key level, and this key level is a smaller time frame key level. So the market is going to break it because on 4 hour time frame, there's still what FEG here. You can see it because there's key level here. That is why. So let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has for us. They are also moving together seriously. You can see they are also moving together. You can see the first CP. This is our first CP. Let's start from daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. And this is our turn towards support. You can see the first touch, this second touch. And with this as not breaking up. That's why I'm saying this as a key level. Market may come back before you can see a uptrend. So let's see. This is the supply that is pushing the market down. You can see what is happening in the market. This is the last break of structure. So let's see. Let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. Since we have plotted our swing high and our swing low for on daily time frame, this is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame, and we are seeing breakout block. We can see market mitigated it, give us straight liquidity here. So definitely supply is here because they are the one that give us break of structure over here. So let's be expecting. So let us be expecting another uptrend before we can see a downtrend. So this is what we are having, and this is the last break of structure. Market mitigated this break of structure before we can see anything. So let's move to 1 hour, 1 minute time, 1 hour time frame before we can see anything. On 1 hour time frame, this is a market structure shift, and this is what this is a liquid. This is a break of structure, and this is a inducement market. The market has shaped already, and you can see the market has been started going in our favor. Definitely we are in uptrend, so let's just be focused on this buy. I'm still buying this opportunity. So this is what I'm seeing. We are still buying here. So let's move to 15-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is what the market is giving us. There is FEG here, so definitely the market is coming back here. So the market is coming back here, and we are expecting a huge uptrend. This is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a huge uptrend. I'm still expecting a huge uptrend. Seriously. But the huge uptrend is what if this does not hold it definitely, because on 15-minute time frame, this is what the market is giving after liquidity stress. Market is giving a market structure shift here. So definitely there's FEG down here. So let's be expecting the market on this before you can say we are buying. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is trying to do. From daily time frame, this is what UJ is trying to for us. These are our resistance. These are our swing high. Alhamdulillah, sorry. Excuse. These are our swing high here. And these are our swing low here. You can see what the market is giving us. All these ones serve as liquidity, but you can see what the market is giving us. So let's move to daily time frame. So market is in this zone. So we guys be patient. So this has turned towards break of structure. And this is last break of structure that has given us support. You can see multiple rejections. So market this has given us what break of structure now. So this is what the happens on, and market is in this zone. So there's what resistance, there's monthly key level over here. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. If we define this entry, definitely the market is coming back here because what there's FEG here. You can see the FEG, and all these ones serve as liquidity. All these ones serve as liquidity. So definitely let's be expecting another buy from here. This is a demand zone from 4 hour time frame. So we are expecting another buy from here. I think I will start the coding now. And we are expecting a huge option to this skill level again. But we guys expected this. Market guys expected this skill level. So let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see a huge jump before we can see buy. So let's move to DJ. Let's see what DJ has for us. DJ is also giving us the vibe of buy. So this is what we have seen on DJ. This is our swing high here, and this is our swing low. I'm expecting the market to come back to this demand before I can say I'm buying. This is a major demand, and this is our liquidity. All what we are doing now, this is a liquidity swept here. As for me, this is a liquidity swept here. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see what market is in this zone. So that's why we said this on 4 hour time frame. We saw this as what change of character. We saw it as change of character. So we are expecting the market to come and retest it before we can say we are buying. But let's see what the market is trying to do, because market is in this zone. Only just this zone can decide what the market is trying to do. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the FEG we are having. So let's define this to this zone. Let's see if we can see a huge sell from this zone. So if you want to take the buy, you guys move to 15-minute time frame. This is what is happening on 15-minute time frame. You can see this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. And this is what we are having here. We are having opportunity here. We are having opportunity here. Let's see if we can still buy again from this opportunity. We are buying the market from here, and we are stopping at this key level over here. These are our key level over here. We are stopping at this key level over here. So let's see what the market is trying to do. So this is what we are having. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having. We are having buy here on 15-minute time frame. This serves as liquidity for me. So I'm still expecting the market to come back here before I can see a buy. This is a buy market. This is a buy market on GJ also. On US 30, this is a buy market also. I'm still expecting the buy. So let's be patient. Let's see if we can see the buy also. But I'm selling. So this is buying, but I'm selling here. So this is what I'm seeing. Let's see US 30. Let's see crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. Maybe there's opportunity for us. From daily time frame, this are swing high here, but this swing has not give us very construction level. This is what? Let's just put it as swing high. So let's move to 4 hour time frame, which is our analysis time frame. This 4 hour time frame, this is what is happening on 4 hour time frame. This is our last break of structure. So market is giving us downtrend. You can see the market is giving us the vibe of downtrend because this is the last break of structure, and what we can see here, this is what this is a break of structure. This is a change of character here. There is a change of character here. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. We can see the opportunity on 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. On what? On 4 hour time frame, the market has given us what? Market has mitigated this FEG. You can see market has mitigated, continuing the downtrend. On 1 hour time frame, let's see what the market is doing. Market this is what the market is doing on 1 hour time frame. This is all what the market is doing. So we guys be patient. Let's move to 15 minute time frame. If you can see an FEG opportunity over 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. This is 15 minute time frame. Because this way I start okay level. So this market has not given me so this is the dark trend is giving me. So let's see it, let's see what Ethereum is trying to do. Ethereum too has been given the vibe of downtrend also. From daily time frame, from Ethereum, these are swing high and these are swing low because it give us what? It give us break of structure. So market is in between the swing high and swing low. Now let's see what is happening on Ethereum after the this is what is happening on Ethereum. There's what the small FEG. Let's see if you can see uptrend from this FEG because what market has rejected this breaker block once. So I'll say the market, if market retest this breaker block once, it's not going to retest it second time. The breaker block is what is useful for one times. So let's see if this market is coming to this FEG. Market first tested this key level and here this FEG continuing downtrend. You can see. So let's see if the market is coming to mitigate this FEG before we can see a huge uptrend. Let's see. Let's go back to BTC. This is BTC, but I'm not seeing opportunity yet, so I cannot analyze this opportunity. So this is what I have. This is what the market has for us. So kindly, if you want more of this, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on notification so that you'll be the first person to learn from the video. Peace and love. Have a successful and have a comfortable week ahead. Have a, have a, have a comfortable days ahead. Thanks, peace and love.